So how to batch produce videos with Revid.ai. So here you will see there is the section of your video script. So from here you will just if you create the script, you can just paste it here, and you can also on this board you will just type example that motivational success, and just tap to script generator. So from here you will just select your stories style, like custom or business. So I will just tap on this motivational, and you will just some write lines of the success. So I will just write a man with struggling while earning, and set the duration 30 seconds, or you can above it. I will just tap to create story. So here you will see the story. So you can just copy it, or you can just use script. And so from here you will just so then you can just select the voice from here. I will just tap on this mail, and I will just play it to this.
The thing always happens that you really believe in, and the belief in a thing makes it happen.
So next I will just scroll down, and from here you will just select the voices, and if you want to generate another music, or you can just select it the images from here. So I will just select this basic model, and I will just in the last tab on this generate video. So it will generating a video for me. My video is ready. I will just tap on it and just play it, and let's see.
Learning digital marketing in my spare time. No fancy degree needed. Just YouTube tutorials and free online courses. Within 6 months, I doubled my income. Side gigs turned into clients. Now I help others break free from the paycheck trap. Stop trading time for money. Your breakthrough isn't about working more. It's about becoming more valuable.
This video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.